Hello guys, it is IsTech Channel, A to Z of programming languages. In this tutorial, we will take a look at what is array and how to declare and initialize arrays in Java. So don't forget to subscribe the channel and like the video. Let's go. Arrays. An array is a group of like-type variables that are referred to by a common name. Arrays of any type can be created and may have one or more dimensions. A specific element in an array is accessed by its index. Arrays offer a convenient means of grouping related information. If you're familiar with C and C++, be careful. Arrays in Java work differently than they do in those languages. Normally, an array is a collection of similar type of elements which has contiguous memory location. Java array is an object which contains elements of a similar data type. Additionally, the elements of an array are stored in a contiguous memory location. It is a data structure where we store similar elements. We can store only a fixed set of elements in a Java array. Array in Java is index-based. The first element of the array is stored at the 0 index, and the second element is stored on first index, and so on. Unlike C and C++, we can get the length of the array using the length member. In C and C++, we need to use the size of operator. In Java, array is an object of a dynamically generated class. Java array inherits the object class and implements the serializable as well as clonable interfaces. We can store primitive values or objects in an array in Java. Like C and C++, we can also create single-dimensional or multi-dimensional arrays in Java. Moreover, Java provides the feature of anonymous arrays which is not available in C and C++. Declaration of array. The declaration of an array object in Java follows the same logic as declaring a Java variable. We identify the data type of the array elements and the name of the variable while adding rectangular brackets to denote it is an array. Here are two valid ways to declare an array. To initialize an array as we declare it, meaning we assign values as when we create the array, we can use the following short syntax. In Java, there are two types of arrays, single-dimensional array and multi-dimensional array. Let's talk about single-dimensional array. An array that has only one dimensional is known as a single-dimensional array. It is just a list of the same data type variable. One-dimensional array can be of either one row and multiple columns or multiple rows and one column. For instance, a student's mark of 5 subjects indicate a single-dimensional array. So let's talk about multi-dimensional array. In not all cases, we implement a single-dimensional array. Sometimes we are required to create an array within an array. So here we have an example. Let's do it together. So create an array with the elements of Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Okay, let's do it together. At the first, I need a text editor. I use Notepad++. At the top of each program, we should have a class. Okay, I create a class and save it. And for running our program or our application, we should have main method. I mean public static void main string array and the body of the main method. So here I create my array with the name of days, and it has 7 elements. I assigned each element and for printing I have printing method, I mean system.out.println, and I concatenate the elements of array, and let's compile it. Write cmd javac, the name of the class, and let's run it. Okay, so you can see the result of your program. So I comment these codes. I should create my array with the data type of string. You can do it like this. You can create this program or example with 2 different ways. Okay, so for printing I use for loop. Okay, and copy the code. Instead of the for loop, I should have a system.out.println, I mean printing method, for printing the elements of the array. Okay, days I concatenate with any space. So let's do the next example. I mean the matrix. Okay, I need 2-dimensional array with a data type of int, and I assign it. For printing the value of the matrix, I mean array, I should have a for loop, or it will be better to say nested for. Okay, So let's compile it and run it. You can see our program doesn't have any error, and we can see the result of our program. So here we have another example that provides a program that inputs 5 numbers and they return the number of positive numbers and negative numbers and 0. Okay, let's do it together. It's so simple and easy. So at first I create a class and save it, and for running the program I should have the main method, I mean public static void main string array, and the body of the main method. So in this example I use a scanner and the full loop and array concepts. So at first I import the scanner class from java.util.scanner. Next I should create the object of that, I mean scanner is equal to new scanner system.in, and then I should create my array with the name of numbers, okay, with 5 elements. So for getting the value from user I use for loop for getting the value, okay. Inside of the for loop I should have a if condition with numbers with the index of I greater than 0. The program should print the number is a positive number, and I should have a temporary variable to count the number of the positive numbers, okay. I created, and here I increment it, okay. So the other condition, I mean else if numbers with the index of I smaller than 0, the program should print this statement, I mean the number is negative, okay. And also we need a temporary variable to count the number of negative numbers, okay. And it is the else statement which should print the 0 element of the array, okay. So let's check our program that doesn't have any error. Let's compile it. Java C, the name of our class. As you can see, our program doesn't have any error. And let's compile it. So as you can see, you should enter 5 numbers, and then the program tells you the number of positive and negative and zero numbers. Okay, so it was your lesson for today, and it's our slogan that first learn and then delete the L from learn, I mean earn. So thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe my channel, like the video, and share it. See you later.